So to make your experience more efficient, a couple of things you can do is one, turn off your air condition. The reason being is because you don't want the mist from inside the car wash going into your air conditioning system and then blowing that air back onto your windshield. It'll make the inside of the windshield kind of nasty. Another tip about using our car wash is we offer free shams. So when you get out, there's some kind of hard to get to areas on all vehicles, particularly around license plates. And under the spoiler on the back or the little lip on the back, those are kind of hard to get into. So we have free shams at all of our express exterior locations that you can use to touch up those particular areas. Another thing that we run into is not everybody knows how to put their car in neutral, right? All these vehicles that are coming out are becoming more efficient with knobs, and a lot of people don't know how to put their car in neutral, and that tends to hold people up. So knowing that beforehand will actually help you get through the car wash faster.